Hi, teacher. My name is Zulita Jana Arias Rojas. My ID is 1002329879. I am studying at the Pedagogical and Technological University of Columbia, and this is presentation about learning English. My English learning process has been fun and strong. Science at acquiring a new language requires being very constant. When I started, I was not constant since I have spent a great deal of time working. Um, then I have managed to focus a little more on learning in a more funny way. I did learn songs on my tested in English using the translator or the sublabs. I did watch some series and movies in English, like The Family Guy, The Simpsons, Frag, and other series. I have a look for different ways to make my learning English easier. One of the best ways I could have managed to learn English was with the children's songs. I listened to various children's songs in English and sang them with my students. This is very funny, very cheerful. I'm Although I have related more to English, I am still looking for different strategies. I have also managed to send I said 5 to 10 minutes a day for an activity related to English in order to improve my English. Thank you, teacher. I hope you enjoy.